Hello, my name is Stuart. I'm a landscaper trained by a golf course superintendent for the care of Western Washington lawns. And today I'm in Linda's lawn over near the University Village, North Seattle area. And this is just a small front lawn that I have thatched, aerated, seeded, and fertilized. Like I say, today is September 25th, and I'm going to come back about 3 weeks to a month's time and take a look at it again and just see how the results are. Once again, this is Stuart with Aerating-Thatching Company. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Bye-bye. Hello, this is Stuart, and today is October 12th, and I'm on Linda's property right near the University Village. And this is a lawn that I previously thatched and then aerated, seeded, and fertilized this lawn. And I was just driving by and decided to check it out and see how this thing looks. Once again, this is Stuart with the Aerating-Thatching Company, and thanks for watching my video. Bye-bye.